Viewers, we are going to begin with some big news that we are getting for you, and this one is from the national capital. It is about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's office. Well, his office is all set for a historic shift. The Prime Minister's office is now preparing to relocate from its decades-old home in South Block to a newly built complex that's going to be called Seva Tirth, a workplace designed to reflect the spirit of service where national priorities take shape. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, the change was supposed to happen. When is it likely to happen, or has it happened already? When are we likely to see the entire setup of Prime Minister's office shifting to this new place?
Well, Hina, it is almost ready. In fact, only the final touchings are to be given this new PMO housing complex. And in fact, if you see, the work is almost complete. The boundary was also complete, and also the guards has also been put up at the gate. And in fact, if you just see the development, it looks like at any moment when PMO decides, we can inaugurate this new complex. But having said that, it also is important as to how to rename this new housing complex. And this is exactly the reason why PMO has decided that this time it should be called Seva Tirth, which means that you do the service of the people, and these people of the country are actually your God, because they are the pillar of the democracy, and it is also a workplace that is designed to reflect the spirit of the service and of the national priorities. In fact, what government also believes that this is about ideological transition, and not just that, also mindset change, which would mean that you would believe that before power there comes responsibility, and this is a place where you believe that the governance takes priority. And in fact, this is the reason why Rajpath was named Kartavya Path, and all the new offices have been called Kartavya Bhavans. That means that it is your responsibility and duty towards the people of the country. They have chosen you, they have elected you to govern the house, govern the country, and not just that, to do the service to the people. And this is also the reason why when Prime Minister shifted to 7 RCR, it was renamed as Lok Seva Bhavan, or that also is also Lok Kalyan Marg, I beg your pardon.
Right, a big development there, Pragya. There's some problem with the audio out there. We'll try and reconnect with you. And viewers, it's a big story that we are getting for you on Times Now. It is about the office of Prime Minister. Well, it is all set to move to a new office building, and that is going to be named as Seva Tirth. That's the big news that we are getting for you. Also, it's important to note that this name change also reflects, according to the government, the spirit of service and also focus on national properties. And also very important to note here, viewers, is that in a way the message that the government is trying to give is that it is time to actually shed the colonial mindset, and Prime Minister Modi is seen leading from the front when it comes to shedding the colonial mindset. Let's go back to my colleague Pragya, who is live with us on the broadcast. Pragya, it's a very important moment, and there is an important message that the government is also trying to give through this particular change of office premises to Seva Tirth now for Prime Minister's office. Prime Minister himself is going to lead from the front when it comes to shedding this entire colonial mindset.
Absolutely, and many people would say, what's in the name? I would say, and the government is saying, it is everything that is in the name, because the name would suggest what the mentality and the mindset of the people who are working in those buildings will be. And this is exactly the reason why government wanted to show some kind of faith that people should show in these buildings, and the people, officials who are working in these buildings, and not just that, public representative also that will be accommodated in these buildings as well. And this is the reason why Seva Tirth has been given the name to the new PMO. It is a relief. The Prime Minister has always said that term is your term, and also, serving the people of the country is his religion. And this is the reason why, from where the Seva Tirth has originated. And the government has always shown that they are not here for the power. They don't have a latest mindset. They are not, they don't need to show that they are the one who are governing the country, but they are the one who are serving the country. And this is why, their base is a service versus entitlement and this mindset.
Absolutely, Pragya. You know, this shift of key government offices that we are now beginning to see to new executive enclave under the Central Vista Redevelopment Project is very, very important. And also important to note, viewers, is that this comes after the recent renaming order that was sent to different states, where we have seen renaming of Raj Bhavans as well across the country. That has also started taking place. So PMO is going to function from Seva Tirth, the first of the three newly built structures in Executive Enclave 1, located adjacent to Vayu Bhavan. That's the big news that we are getting for you. We have a reaction now coming in from BJP as well. Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP, in fact, has reacted to this big development. He's put out a post on X, which we are going to bring for you in just a bit. There you can see the first reaction coming in from the BJP. He says, and I quote, "Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India's governance is shifting from satta to seva, from authority to responsibility. This is a cultural shift from status to service, from entitlement to kartavya. In fact, government exists to serve." He says Raj Bhavans are being renamed Lok Bhavan. Earlier, Rajpath became Kartavya Path. Prime Minister's residence became Lok Kalyan Marg. The new PMO complex is Seva Tirth. Central Secretariat is Kartavya Bhavan. So that is the first reaction that we've got for you from the Bharatiya Janata Party on this big development that is taking place under the Central Vista Redevelopment Project. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi's office, viewers, is all set to relocate to a landmark location. And this is the first time we are going to see Prime Minister's office, in fact, shifting from its 78-year-old home in South Block to a state-of-the-art complex that's going to be called as Seva Tirth. And name, of course, is extremely important.